Hey everybody, so we are back again with another video. This one's going to be pretty short, pretty simple, pretty easy. The install part isn't going to be that easy, but what I am doing is I'm installing the Raceland headers on the Miata. Currently we have the old, beat up, disgusting headers right on down in there. They are the OEM headers, and that is what we're going to be taking off today. From there, what we're going to be doing, take the old headers off. It's going to be mating up to literally just an eBay exhaust. I think it's Manzo or Manzo is the brand. The headers that I'm putting on are Raceland brand, and luckily Raceland was nice enough to get this shipped out pretty quickly to me, so I could get this sound clip video all up and going along. So I hope you guys enjoy the sound clips, and give you a little before, a little bit after. I'm not expecting a big difference, but we're going to see what they sound like. Stick around. Alright, so here is the new headers slash downpipe. What we're looking at here is obviously your normal, just pretty straightforward downpipe. You get the little Raceland badge right there, and as far as everything goes, the only thing my car doesn't have is, since this car is a 1.6 that was 1.8 swapped, the only difference, if you come right on over here, you can see right down in here, that is where the EGR goes for the 1.8 models. My car does not have that. It's been blocked off and everything, so I just had a friend just quick weld that shut, since I'm not going to be using it. For anyone else, you can, on flyingmiata.com, you can buy, I'll show you what it looks like. If we come right on down over here, on flyingmiata.com, right down in there, there's that little nut looking part. Let's see if I can focus on it. Yep, right there. It literally just looks like a nut. It's fully closed off so that it acts as a block off for it. In my case, I didn't want to wait because I want to get this installed today, so I just had a buddy weld it shut. Other than that, honestly, really, really nice looking, and it looks like it's going to mate right up with the catalytic converter area. So let's get this thing installed and see some before and after clips on the sound. Awesome, guys, so I hope you loved how the exhaust sounded and everything. Make sure you guys like, share, comment, subscribe, all that stuff, and stay tuned for the next video that I come out with. Thank you guys, and take care. Bye.